guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Noelle, and this is Intuitively Me. Thank you for tuning in on this video. If you're new here, thank you. Make sure you subscribe. If you're true here, love you. We got a special one. We got a DIY press-on nail video. 10 minutes. That's it. So if you're like me and you like quick, you like to do things yourself, you're super creative and artsy, and you like to save money, and you just don't really trust other people, this is your chance to do it yourself. I promise you, they're gonna stay on. Like me, I love super simple, solid colors, no fancy stuff. These were originally stiletto, but I shaved them down to oval round because it's my favorite. I guess they stay on for, I mean, almost a month, really, if you applying it right, if you're applying what I'm telling you right. If you like this video, let me know in the comments and we can get it popping and we can make some more. I got like a gazillion more press-on nails so we can do more videos. So just let me know in the comments. Watch the video ahead and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. These are some of the things that you'll need. The Saviland kit from Amazon, some remover for your nails, the mono, I don't know how to say that, the acrylic powder, brush, a tool for your nails, and a file. The nails, they're from Dollar Tree, period. Clean nails, starting off, we're going to clean them with some nail polish remover and make sure they're sterile and clean, period. So here you're going to go ahead and get your filer and file down all the top of your nails. File it down, baby. And we're using the cuticle tool to push back all those cuticles. Push that nail all the way back so that the press-on nail can go on just beautifully and just perfectly. So make sure you're pushing down all the sides, getting on that extra skin. You can flip it over to the other side and really get into them. Yes. It's all done. And now I'm about to clean our nails once again. Always cleaning, baby. Clean, clean, clean. We like a sterilized area, always. Period. So next, I got all the nails and I sized them to my nail. And now I'm going to make sure they all fit. Perfect. And then I'm going to file them down to the shape and size that I want them, which is round. They came stiletto, but I want round nails. You can shape them and file them down to whatever you want. This took a minute, child, because I like my nails to be cute and perfect. That's why I always get compliments on them. They have to be filed perfectly. Which is why I like to do, my own nails. I like taking time out to know that they're gonna be like cute and perfect and I'm gonna like them. And yes, these nails, I got them from Dollar Tree. They're only $1.25, period. Don't ever sleep on Dollar Tree, y'all. They got some good stuff in there, for real, for real. Check out my hauls on the other videos, period. Finally on this last one, we're almost done. Yes. All right, we're about to start with the acrylic powder. Clean our brush, make sure our brush is clean of old nail debris and everything like that. So wet your brush, and then you're going to get just a little bit of acrylic. You're gonna put it on top of the nail. You're gonna make sure it's like wet, and then you're just gonna pick up your press on and slam that on and hold it down for at least like 30 seconds, or like you can go longer to 45 if you want. You can use that tool again, that cuticle tool, to get off the residue that's going to come off super easy and clean. This is me testing it. It's strong. It did not come off, I promise. And then honestly, you're just going to repeat those steps for all 10 fingers. Super easy, super clean. 10 minutes. You got it. Done with the first hand. Look at that, cute, simple, and period. Let's get on to the next hand, guys. Same as the steps on the first hand. Get that brush, make sure it's clean, soak it a little bit, get some of that acrylic powder. Make sure that powder is wet enough to spread around your whole fingernail, and then you place your press-on nail right on top of it and just hold that baby down. And we're all done. So easy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Tune in for my new videos. Watch an old video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.